Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Sloughing Lotion is probably one of the most transformative products you can use for your feet, offering a luxurious and effective way to exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing smoother, softer, and healthier-looking feet. This video will dive deep into what makes a great Sloughing Lotion, helping you choose the perfect one to pamper your feet and address any dryness, calluses, or rough patches, leaving you with the confidence to show off your beautifully cared for feet. Number 5. Lee Beauty Callus Remover. Transform dry, calloused feet into smooth, soft ones. It removes dead skin and rough patches, leaving your feet feeling comfortable and rejuvenated. This isn't just a callus remover, it's a complete foot care solution. It removes calluses while hydrating and softening your skin for supple, healthy-looking feet. Get professional pedicure results at home. Simply soak, apply, and rinse for smooth, soft feet in minutes. It's incredibly simple and saves you time and money. It effectively treats cracked heels by removing dead skin and allowing healthy skin to regenerate. Regular use improves the texture and appearance of your heels. For the ultimate pedicure experience, use it with our rasp kit or foot file for enhanced results and blissful indulgence. It's the perfect complement to your at-home foot care routine. What we like? It's a complete skincare solution, not just a callus remover. It's incredibly simple to use, saving you time and money, and it effectively removes years of rough skin. If you are looking for a simple yet effective solution for dry, cracked heels, you should consider this one. It's perfect for busy individuals who want salon-quality results at home. Its ease of use and hydrating properties make it ideal for those with busy schedules. What people say. This is a really great product. I have really thick, tough skin that builds up quickly on the heels of my feet. It is really annoying and uncomfortable. I use the foot peels from time to time, such as baby foot, which most of them work. However, you have to wait a week or longer for the acid to start to loosen the skin, and warm weather is now approaching. So I read all the reviews on this before buying. I was attracted to the fact that most of the reviewers state it only takes minutes for this product to work. The amount of dead skin that came off while filing my heels was amazing, gross, and stinky. It smells like burnt hair and comes off as a goo. It took some elbow grease, but after washing my feet they feel amazing. I actually can feel the floor under my heels for the first time in decades. My feet are not baby bottom smooth, but I see a 80% improvement after the second use. After using it twice. My feet have never been softer. I did use a grater and glass file as well as soaked my feel in between the scrubbing my feet. Number 4. Pretty Feet and Hands Exfoliant. Are you tired of rough, dry skin on your hands and feet? This gentle exfoliant is the perfect solution. It's safe for even the most sensitive skin. It safely removes rough, dry skin, revealing the soft, smooth skin underneath. Experience renewed softness and confidence. This manual exfoliant is incredibly gentle, yet effective. It promotes cell regeneration for naturally radiant skin. Unlike other exfoliants, this one is free of harsh chemicals and unpleasant grittiness. It's kind to your skin and delivers amazing results. It helps your skin regenerate naturally, leaving your hands and feet feeling soft, smooth, and healthy. Enjoy the feeling of truly beautiful skin. This is more than just an exfoliant, it's your secret weapon for achieving naturally soft, radiant skin. Discover the difference today. What we like? It's a gentle exfoliant suitable even for sensitive skin. It's safe and free of harsh chemicals, and it helps promote cell regeneration for naturally soft skin. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a gentle way to remove rough skin, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who prefer a natural approach to foot care and want to avoid harsh chemicals. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for daily use. What people say. Skin feels smoother, softer, and looks better. It is not abrasive. After rubbing the product on skin and removing the dry skin, I wash with mild soap and water and pat dry. My moisturizer lotion then works even better after use. After applying 3 times a day for 3 days, callus was virtually gone. It really helps to remove dry skin on my hands and feet when doing a manicure and pedicure. Also on my legs before showering. Number 3. Foot Scrubber Callus Remover Gel. Introducing a professional-grade callus remover gel for your feet. It effortlessly removes tough calluses and dead skin, giving you salon-quality results at home. Transform your foot care routine. This fast-acting gel softens even severe calluses in just 3 to 5 minutes, preparing them for easy removal. Experience silky smooth feet with our specialized gel. It enhances the effectiveness of your foot scrubber, banishing calluses and rejuvenating your skin. This powerful gel tackles even the most stubborn calluses. It's guaranteed to renew and restore the health of your feet. It's formulated with water, glycerin, mint, and fragrance for a refreshing and effective treatment. What we like. It's a fast-acting callus remover that works in minutes. It's highly effective at eliminating even severe calluses, and it leaves your feet feeling silky smooth. If you need quick and effective callus removal, this product is for you. It's perfect for those with stubborn calluses who want to see results fast. Its potent formula is ideal for those who want salon-quality results at home. What people say. After just one use, my feet felt smooth and refreshed. The ergonomic design makes it easy to use, and it's gentle yet powerful. Perfect for at-home pedicures. The foot file worked nicely. My only complaint was that instead of fitted gloves as shown in the picture, the product came with those loose gloves like you'd get with hair dye. Still did the job, but why not just show those in the advertisement photo rather than a nicer product? The gel is easy to apply and really helps to soften calluses, making it easier to remove dead skin. The design is comfortable to hold, and it's gentle yet effective at buffing away rough patches. I've tried other foot files before, but this one feels much more efficient and durable. Number 2. Lee Beauty Callus Remover Kit. Tired of expensive salon visits? This kit lets you easily remove calluses and dry skin, giving you smooth, comfortable feet from the convenience of your home. Simply soak your feet, apply the gel, and gently remove dead skin. It's that simple. Save time and money with this effective and convenient solution. This powerful gel works wonders on dry, calloused feet. It removes years of built-up rough skin, leaving your feet feeling soft and rejuvenated. It's more than just a callus remover, it's a complete foot care solution. The formula hydrates and softens while effectively removing calluses and cracked heels. This gel is perfect for treating cracked heels. It removes dead skin, allowing healthy skin to regenerate, leaving your feet looking and feeling their best. For the ultimate pedicure, use this gel with our included rasp kit. These tools are designed to enhance your at-home pedicure, creating a truly luxurious experience. Have questions? Our customer service team is available anytime to assist you. We're committed to providing you with the best possible foot care experience. What we like. It's a complete skincare solution, not just a callus remover. It's incredibly simple to use, saving you time and money, and it effectively removes years of rough skin. If you are looking for a simple yet effective solution for dry, cracked heels, you should consider this one. It's perfect for busy individuals who want salon-quality results at home. Its ease of use and hydrating properties make it ideal for those with busy schedules. What people say. After using it tonight, they are good as new, baby soft. This product will remove the callus from your feet and your feet will be baby soft. I promise you nothing has had the results that this gel and this process had. I easily, and with no force required, scraped away dead skin with the provided rasp, and there was a lot of dead skin. Number 1. Nuvadermis Urea Foot Cream. This 40% urea cream provides deep moisturization, perfect for severely dry and cracked skin on your feet and other areas. It's ideal for tackling corns, calluses, and rough patches. Say goodbye to rough, cracked heels with this cracked heel lotion. It rapidly heals and smoothens, working wonders on dry knees, elbows, and hands too. It combines deep moisturizing urea with gentle exfoliating salicylic acid and soothing tea tree oil. This helps reduce calluses and leaves your skin feeling soft. Made in a state-of-the-art facility, it meets the highest hygienic standards and is dermatologically tested. It's cruelty-free and GMO-free, suitable for all skin types. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you're not happy, contact us. Experience the confidence of smooth, healthy skin every day. What we like. It contains a high concentration of urea for deep hydration. It provides intense moisture to severely dry, cracked skin, and it delivers fast, visible results. If you have extremely dry, cracked heels or other areas of severely dry skin, you should consider this. It's perfect for those with chronic dryness and calluses who need maximum strength hydration. Its potent formula is ideal for those who need a fast and effective solution for severely dry skin. what people say. It hydrates my heels without being greasy or sticky. It is relatively unscented and absorbs quickly. My husband gets the worst cracked hands and heels and toes. Not a little either. I mean, they crack to bleeding, and it happens so fast for him. He is beside himself. And he rubs this stuff on his hands and feet and puts socks on at night. He uses no-show socks so he doesn't kick them off. And then within, I would say, 72 hours, he is no longer cracked, and by week's end his hands and feet are soft like a baby. It's crazy how fast it works with his body chemistry. This stuff is a miracle for him. The texture of the cream is smooth and easy to apply, and it absorbs well without leaving a greasy feeling. My heels were dry and cracked, but after consistent use, they feel much softer and look healthier. The 40% urea formula is effective at gently exfoliating rough areas while also hydrating the skin deeply. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.